Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Coffee and ABA where we're discussing all things applied behavioral analysis over a nice cup of coffee. So as we talked about, we're going to be discussing the BCBA task list for the 6th edition. And we're going to start with task section A, behaviorism and philosophical foundations. So section A.1 states that we're going to identify the goals of behavioral analysis as a science, and this includes description, prediction, and control. Description includes facts regarding observable events that can be analyzed and compared with other facts. This is directly from Cooper, Heron, and Heward in 2020, aka the ABA Bible. Behavior analysts use description in a variety of ways, but especially when creating those operational definitions of behavior. One key point in the definition above is that these are facts. We have to be objective when describing behavior. Words such as bad, mean, or disruptive, like we've talked about before, aren't necessarily helpful because those can have so many different meanings for different people. When thinking about a description as a goal of behavioral analysis, we need to ask, is it observable, aka capable of being seen, felt, heard, or reported? Is it objective, meaning we don't have any special interpretations that we need to make, and it's purely factual? And is it operational? Does everyone agree that something has occurred? Next, we have prediction. Prediction includes anticipation of the outcome of a future event. No, this doesn't mean that we're looking at a crystal ball or anything like that, but it means we can use past data to say what will probably happen in the hours, days, weeks, months, or even years to come. Trends and data points are a great way to use prediction. Another example would be correlations. But remember, correlation does not equal causation. And finally, we have control, which includes the highest level of scientific understanding. Functional relations can be derived from control. Please do note that control does not mean that we're controlling or manipulating people. In this context, we mean controlling outside variables that would otherwise explain a phenomenon or a behavior happening. We can demonstrate the concept of control through the scientific method. If a change in the independent variable has a reliable and consistent effect on the dependent variable while eliminating the possibility of extraneous causes, then control occurred. In this case, we can show causation as opposed to just a correlation. Make sure you don't confuse control as a goal of behavioral analysis with experimental control.